what I've done real quick is to added a 105-pound weight here. Now we are in our sales demo area that's kind of turned into final testing setup and kind of doing our final stages of getting ready for the launch of the new product. But what we're doing here is I want to show you float mode, because that's also very nice and very smooth. So that 105 pounds, I can still float like I normally could with our current units. It's good, as good if not better, and it's even a little more stable. So setting down on the floor, stays on the floor more stably than the current one. Again, taking advantage of some of that higher technology, new processor speeds, more memory, all that kind of stuff. This is a really nice float mode. There's something bigger at play here in float mode. We added a really cool new feature that I think everybody's going to like a lot. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to take you off the camera stand and take you for a little tour over here to what we call our user interface. Now, this user interface is this is a new feature, and I'm not going to get into all the different things we can do here. But what I do want to show you is these are all the settings and tabs that are on the current model Q and iQ unit are now all done here, plus a whole bunch of other stuff. One of the things we've added to this product is what we call an auto float mode. So in this on the settings tab of this user interface, and you'll see, by the way, there's a white cable that goes up to that unit. So we're wired connection from this computer to that GeForce. So we could also do that wirelessly, and I'll show you how that happens when we get up to the unit. But right here, under float mode, I set the manual to auto. So I set that to auto float, okay? So now what happens is, auto float makes it so that every time I'm not in run mode, I will be in float mode. I don't have to press a button to get from run mode to float mode. So you'll notice the blue light lights up in float mode, just like the existing unit. But you'll notice that happens seamlessly. I didn't have to press a button because I set that to my auto float. It's not the manual button press initiating float mode, it is automatic float. So anytime when I'm in this mode, which I can, through that user interface, I can set one way or the other. Whenever I let go, take my hand off the handle and go out of run mode, it's going to transition right into float mode. And that is a really, that's been asked for a long time, and we finally came up with that feature. It is now part of the new Q2 and iQ2 product across the board.